this is João Musiero with Trinity Real Estate. Welcome to Villas Marsella, a new project inside Bosques del Mar, just 10 minutes away from the city of San Juan del Sur in Nicaragua. This is the new model home we just finished. There's gonna be 36 of these, 2 to 3 bedrooms, 1 shared pool for every 6 homes. And the great thing about this project is not only the security and the infrastructure and the roads, but we're also 500 meters away, walking distance to Playa Marsella. And we have designated area for the homeowners and lot owners of Bosques del Mar, just for you. And also we're 5 minutes driving distance of Playa Maderas. This is a great project, beautiful homes, very easy for you guys. Check out the video, check out the information, reach out to us for more information, and come visit this place. You're gonna like it.